Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Happyblaque. Yay! So guys, today's video will be doing a DIY. I want to start doing this DIY so that I will get used to so many DIYs, you guys. So in today's DIY, what I'll be doing is a fenugreek seed oil, and I have so many things for it. I have henna powder, I have MSM powder, I have the fenugreek seed itself, I have Jamaican black castor oil, I have olive oil, I have hemp seed oil, I have my homemade coconut oil and tea tree oil, you guys. So these are the things I'll be using for this my DIY guy. It's so very good for you to always do DIY, especially use natural products, not chemicals. Use especially with that are natural hair, so always use all these products for your hair, you guys. So this is going to be what I'll be doing in this video today. So I also have my mixing jar and my measuring cup and spoons, you guys, but I ended up not using the correct measurement, but I used the cup. I didn't really know the correct measurement. I was just pouring everything inside, you guys. So that is that for today's video, you guys. So hope you guys will enjoy it and also try to incorporate these things in your hair regimen, you guys. So let's start this video. So first of all, what I did was I added the fenugreek seed into the jar. I think I added 3 cups, but I was not like being conscious of the measurement, but I know that I fetched 3 cups and poured inside of the jar, you guys. So after adding the fenugreek seed, what I did was to add the MSM powder and stir them very well, you guys. Fenugreek seed is so very much for the hair because it kills bacteria and fungi on the scalp. Is a source of nicotinic acid which encourages hair growth. Is a source of lecithin which energizes hair follicles, you guys. So I added the henna powder and also mix them together. And henna is good, it helps, it maintains scalp health, it balances oil production and pH level, guys. It boosts hair growth, stops hair fall, repairs and strengthens hair, conditions hair, you guys. Let me take a breath before I continue. So it conditions hair, you guys. That's for henna. So after then I stirred everything together and I went ahead to add the olive oil, guys. So but back to MSM powder, guys. It's so very much is rich in sulfur. Sulfur helps in maintenance of the skin and also the hair. It can form bonds essential to strengthen hair and influencing hair growth. It increases the rate of hair growth, you guys. That's for MSM powder. If you are on natural hair and you don't have all these products, it's very essential for you as a naturalista, you guys. So I'll talk to you guys later when I finish mixing everything. So guys, I'm done mixing everything. The MSM was the last thing I added, so I'm done mixing everything. So when I finished stirring and everything, stirring the whole mixture, it was greenish in color. You guys are seeing it's greenish in color right now, but now it's brownish because I left it under the sun for 2 days so that it can soak very well and melt. So this is the outcome of my mixture, and from greenish to brownish. So I started using it after I put it under the sauce. So that is just the end of my video, you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, do anything you always do with my video, and also thumbs up this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Love you all. Bye.